Traumatic brain injury. 5.3 million Americans suffer from it. There are 1.4 million new brain injuries each year. Of these victims, 235,000 are hospitalized. We can help. If you're watching this video, either you or someone in your family has been involved in a traumatic brain injury. All of a sudden you get these tremendous headaches. You have trouble paying attention. You have trouble sleeping. You're always in a bad mood. You snap at people for no real reason. A lot of you may have trouble being in crowds. You go out to a restaurant and all the conversations fill your head. You forget simple things like leaving the stove on or leaving your car running. Light bothers some people and gives them tremendous headaches. So you do the easiest thing that you can do. You isolate yourself. You spend more time alone. You're less social. If you're experiencing these symptoms, you're not alone. For spouses, it's very hard to see someone that you love so much suffer. And you start to think, what's going to happen with my family 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road? If you're looking for a lawyer to represent you or someone in your family that has suffered a traumatic brain injury, the choice of lawyer is very, very important. If you don't have a lawyer that understands the faulty medicine that these defense experts use, a jury could find you a fake or a fraud, or that there's nothing wrong with you, even though there is. I've spent the last 20 years of my career fighting these defense experts. I've been asked to speak at brain injury conferences all over the country for the North American Brain Injury Society. I've been asked to speak for the American Association for Justice. I've been chosen by the Sarah Jane Brain Foundation to be the Massachusetts Legal Director. I encourage you to look at my case results page. I'm proud of my long and successful record of helping brain-damaged clients ensure that they can live as happy and fulfilling lives as possible. I invite you to go to the testimonials page. See what some of my clients have said about what I have done for them. I also encourage you to look on the case briefs page. Look at what I've written about diffusion tensor imaging. It is now considered the preeminent brief in the country for defending the diffusion tensor imaging against attacks by the defense industry. I've spent the last 20 years researching, understanding the human and medical aspects of traumatic brain injury. I encourage you to research me. Call my office. Talk to me. See if I can help you. See if I can answer your questions. I'm confident that I can help both you and your family.